You just fall off.
Yeah.
We're going to be following a makeup tutorial, but I'm going to be doing it on her. We're going to be following this makeup tutorial. I have no idea how to do makeup.
You're gonna make me look like a clown?
Yeah.
Aww.
Yeah! I never went through that whole like learning how to do makeup, and so now I'm like too old to do that because it's like embarrassing if I go out now and I have the most atrocious makeup look on my face. I'm too old for that.
But it's fine.
We're past that. Well, you're not going out, so
No,
yeah.
I'm going straight to the bathroom. I'm gonna go back to sleep after this.
I believe that. I have a whole bunch of makeup palettes, but they're not like expensive. I just keep handing them to you. I just got every single makeup palette that I have. It's all out of date for sure. Literally all of it. Not one thing there is in it. We've got all of like. I'm just doing a blue makeup look because I don't even have like. Okay, so we're gonna follow this tutorial. I haven't watched it, so I hope it's good. Let's press play. I don't have it. Hold it like so. You don't understand basic instruction, so my arms aren't long enough. I'm trying to focus on not falling off my chair because it's so hard. These are the brushes we have
Please
to
don't
work
make me
with.
look ugly. Like cry.
Good. Hope you do. That's what we have to work with. A mixed assortment of cheap things that I got whenever. Let's see what she does next. I don't really have bright colours like that. I don't have primer, I don't have concealer, I don't have anything. So, I'm sure it's not necessary. You really don't have any eye makeup?
No, I do. It's so dirty.
This caused COVID.
Give me a second, I'll go wash it, everybody.
But this does not look like her shade. This looks old. They should put dates on these. I reckon if I put this on her eyes, they're gonna just like burn and probably fall out, so. Are my eyes different sizes? That's way better. I know I said we were gonna skip the primer thing, but it was concealer, right? And it kinda is, it looks like this. We use the pointy end
Put
because.
it on my hand instead of just dabbing it back on. That's enough. That's enough.
Oh, so aggressive. I'm kinda getting it everywhere. I didn't think that would happen.
Do you want to just do my full face?
That was meant to be primer on the eyelids. It got out of hand. We're moving on. This one, I think this one looks closer to what she's using.
Well, we best use that one then.
Yeah.
That's what's gonna make this
We're
look
going
good.
to pick this purple.
You're useless
We're
at your
gonna
job.
pick this purple, and as you can see, it's not even close. So we're gonna mix it with this color up here.
Help me! Help me!
Should I pick a tutorial that we have the colors on? This one looks like we have more of the colors. It looks good. It doesn't look like what she's doing, but it looks good. It looks good.
She's putting lipstick on my eye.
Like putting lipstick on a pig. God, this is a mess. Honestly, it could look worse. How does she make it look so good? I didn't mean to. Okay, I'll fix it. Yeah, all better.
Please get it in my eye.
Donnie. Please look at me.
Oh. That's really bright. Get the damn flash out of my eyes. So this colour does not match her at all. It barely matches me.
It doesn't match you. What do you mean barely? It doesn't.
Can you face me?
No.
Okay.
Oh no, I hate it already.
Your face is so squishy. You're literally...
I hate it.
Grow up.
It's literally my eye and it burns.
Good. Sorry, you're gonna have it in your hair.
No, please don't put it in my hair. Please don't put it in
Right,
my
we're
hair.
gonna go
I already did my
around.
eyebrows, Haley. I'm not kidding. I already did my eyebrows. Did not get it in my eyebrows.
Because you have no eyebrows. Oh, I cannot see half of your face.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine.
We're just gonna blend that all in.
It's not my colour. Look at it.
It's okay. Ready? I'm gonna fix
I'm like yellow. Just keep going. I'm done with this video.
I'm crying.
That's it on the inside. Mum walked in, so we had to do it before. But this is what we've done.
She kept moving. Don't look at yourself. Don't look at your eyes. Don't.
Trust the.
That's not too bad. Mind you, I'm not following the tutorial. Like, this is my own
We
creation.
know.
Your eyes are so crinkly.
So yours.
Look at our little lady with crinkly eyes.
Why is it like contour like here and here? You're making me look like I have wrinkles.
You do have wrinkles.
You did so much worse than I did.
I did want to do it blindfolded. Look at me.
You might as well have.
Perfect. Your look is done. Okay, you know what? There's gonna be.
That does not feel like the eyelids are.
You kept moving, so I gave up. Alright, can I leave now? Beautiful. Alright, I'm done. Thank you, everybody. This has been my contribution to the world today.